Mardi Gras is coming soon, and I'm putting the fat back into Fat Tuesday. Alcohol may burn my throat on the way down, but it sure burns those calories. Let's give it a shot. Get it, girls! Woo-wee! Feel the burn! The Verdant Lady features one of my favorite liqueurs, Chartreuse. Even though it is relatively unknown amongst amateurs, Chartreuse has been around for a very, very long time. It originated in 1605. The French king, Henry IV, tasked his Marshal of Artillery to create what he called the elixir of life. So just like any good worker, he passed the buck. He presented a small monastery of French Carthusian monks with a recipe scrolled on a piece of paper. The concoction they then birthed forth became what we now know as Chartreuse. If this was actually an elixir of life, I would still have color in my hair. So obviously that is bullcrap, but it does taste pretty damn good. Now we'll mix the cocktail starting with a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. A 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. A bar spoon of green chartreuse. One and a 1/2 ounces of Hendrick's gin. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. I'm feeling like a party man. About 4 mint leaves. Slap them to get the oils extracted. And that is the Verdant Lady. Today's word of wisdom is veracity. A person who is veracious is a person who will give you the honest truth, even when it hurts. Many people do not like those who have veracity because most are not prepared to handle words like, no, I don't want to, or leave me alone. Yet these people should not lose their veracity because of others' self-ignorance, because deep down they know the person is telling the truth. If an ugly man approaches you and asks, hey, am I ugly? Don't dare say no. Like my granddaddy told me, that man may own a mirror, and all you have just done is proven to him that you're a liar. He presented a small...
Let's just go through small.
Okay.
3, 2.
He presented a small monastery of French Carthusian monks